Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video I'm going to be reacting to another short animated film. This is called Soft Rain, and I don't know what it's about. I didn't read the description, I never do. But yeah, I started getting back into short film reactions, so if you have any that I should react to, let me know in the comments below, either animated or live action or whatever. But yeah, let's get into it, and please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. Alright, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning how to dance in the rain. Okay, starting off with a quote. Okay, it's too loud. Okay, turn off. Dang, I'm the type of person to turn off as soon as it rings, and then I get up right away. Soft rain. Okay, so based off of the quote, I'm guessing things aren't going as well as they should be, and yeah, you probably shouldn't just like let it take over your life, and you should probably just still find joy in through hard times. Okay, so this is claymation. Dang, it's a lot of pills. How many pills do you need to take? I can see why he's depressed, because he gotta go work. Oh. Okay, I thought this was gonna be like a realistic thing, but I guess there's some creatures up in here. Let's go, Soft Rain. I don't know why he's running. Like, if I saw something fall from the sky that I didn't know what it was, and it's these random things, I'll just go back home. Like, why he running through it? But again, it's animation. It's part of the story. Let me stop talking. Oh, never mind. I think it's supposed to actually be, I don't know how to speak. I think it's actually supposed to be rain, but instead of like blue raindrops, it's just these pink fun things, and you gotta learn how to dance in the rain. That's why they had the quote in the beginning. Like, you gotta find the good in the bad. Okay. Not her catching the rain and splashing his face. And also, I think it means like you're not supposed to take everything too seriously. He's gonna switch up. He's gonna drop that umbrella. And then he ain't gonna go work. But yeah, I hate being wet. I hate having wet clothes, especially wet socks in the rain, so definitely would not be me. Okay. Imagine this is just a dream. And then he wakes up again. And they both got splashed. Okay, so back to reality. He ain't going to work. Imagine this is her bus, not his bus. So she's just like, oh, here's my ride. And then she just leaves him. Dang, imagine going to work all wet. When the sunshine will shine together, you can stand under my umbrella. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Okay, so that's the end. Oh, is that her? Is that how she woke up? She woke up like this. Okay, so it's showing her side of the, excuse you, her side of the events. Okay, that was a nice little story. Yeah, like I guess the moral of the story is don't take everything too seriously, and even through hard times, you can still find the good times in the badness of whatever's happening. And yeah, just don't take everything too seriously. Like, it's not that serious. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.